Good morning, class 9th. Welcome to the bio class. Let's start with the differences between the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cell. Now, children, prokaryotic is made up of two words, that is pro and karyon. Pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. Also, eukaryotic cell or the word eukaryotic is made up of two terms. The first one is EU, which means true, and karyon means nucleus. Now, prokaryotic cell means having a primitive nucleus or an incipient nucleus, which means that nuclear membrane is not present. So, we cannot differentiate between nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. But eukaryotic cell have a well developed nucleus, therefore we can differentiate between the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. Another difference between the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cell is that in eukaryotic cell organelles are present, whereas in prokaryotic cell organelles are absent except ribosomes. I think this is clear now that cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell and cell organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell except ribosomes. Now, ribosomes present in prokaryotic cell are 70S type, whereas the ribosomes present in the eukaryotic cell is of 80S type, though chloroplast and mitochondria also have 70S type of ribosomes. Now, children, moving on to the next point of difference. The next difference is between the DNA. Prokaryotic cell have a single length of DNA, circular single DNA, whereas eukaryotic cell in the nucleus, several length of DNAs are present. Because in eukaryotic cell we study about chromosomes. Along with that, in eukaryotic cell, histone, Histone, histone proteins are present. Whereas in prokaryotic cell, histone proteins are absent. Now, what is the function of histone proteins? These histone proteins help in the condensation of chromatin reticulum to form chromosomes. You can see the video of chromatin reticulum getting condensed to form chromosomes in the playlist given there. So, children, these were the points of differences between the eukaryotic and the prokaryotic cell. You can take a look from here. Prokaryotic cell no well-defined nucleus, whereas a eukaryotic cell have a well-defined nucleus with a nuclear membrane. A single length of only deoxyribonucleic acid, a single length of DNA only, several length of genetic material containing DNA wound around certain proteins. And what are those proteins? Histone proteins. Prokaryotic cell have small ribosomes and eukaryotic cell have large ribosomes. In prokaryotic cell, no other cell organelles are present, whereas several organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and chloroplast are present in the eukaryotic cell. So, children, this was all about the differences between the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cell. Thank you. Have a nice day.